this one was. It's actually
Is the mark on the? Is that the mark where this was sitting?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a telltale right there.
Okay, so that's the point at
Where
which
we
it was
want it to
sitting
be.
before. Okay, so this one.
We need the grinder out.
See this?
Yeah, that's where.
Yeah.
That's to fit the roundness of that,
That's
isn't
correct.
it?
Yeah. So
But
that's
it doesn't. I want to get the
doesn't
grinder
quite-
out and
doesn't
cut that
quite-
out.
Yeah. So it has to go in another way.
Oh, I've done it.
He's done
Hold
it.
up.
You've done it?
That
done
one's
it,
got-
but-
look at the amount of room in that one, none in this.
Yeah.
This will have to be modified to use that. No,
But
You shouldn't do because
the same machine. The same
yeah, you got the angle.
So
is the
tell
wrong.
us how you did that.
No, but it's the wrong.
No, it's around the wrong way.
It's the wrong way because you cannot tighten the
No,
screw.
No.
It only goes together two ways.
Yeah,
Yeah, right
The
and
right
wrong.
way. and the
and
wrong
the
way.
wrong way. Yeah,
I love that statement
yeah. Okay.
because you don't panic.
You can't put it up that way because it won't fit onto
Right.
the bar. So it has to
But
fit in.
Technically, you could hollow that out and make that fit in there because
Yeah.
there's lots of metal here, isn't there?
Yeah.
I mean, if you had to.
So you can't put it in the back because you can't get to it.
Right.
So it has to be in here. This is for the access for the screw. So we will. Hey, heads.
And I'm just wondering
Put it up
if
from underneath.
I'm just wondering if if we swap those two little, and we might solve our problem.
When we
This one.
She's gonna prove me wrong here.
take.
No.
No, I want you.
I'll lower the audio on that. Just drag it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, the swear words.
So, yeah, so let's just start
Yeah,
swearing,
yeah.
just put the
No,
volume
they-
down.
Instead
saw-
of cutting, instead of
I
cutting,
had-
we just drag the audio down for that.
Go.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And that has to go.
I got a welder in the car.
Have you? Bring you over.
And
You-
again,
where about
Get
grinder?
Out here. It's got to be that out here.
Have you got a grinder too?
I don't have a grinder. Oh, I do have a grinder.
Well,
Yes,
that's what we need.
that's the tools that I took out of them.
Okay, so this has got. It's got the space for it. It just needs.
Oh,
to
so we actually need to grind the clamp itself down.
Yeah, the grinder, that's it.
Yeah.
That should.
Yeah, he's not. He's
Should
listening
go
to
back
this
in
going,
there.
wait a minute. What? How am I teaching these people?
No, you don't. You're not going to grind anything.
No,
No, because both of these came out. They have to go back in.
I think is this the exact same part as
Yeah,
that?
and what is going on? This was supposed
Assuming
to
he hasn't swapped it over.
and they look good when they were there, so you guys
Well,
have to
the-
get these girls looking better.
be. It came easy.
Did yeah.
I took it no problem, but that's the problem of having no observation.
Oh,
It won't-
Alan.
No.
Oh, it won't go.
No. Because you're not actually in far enough to actually do it.
Okay.
Okay. So
Can we actually take a minute and try the other one on this shot?
shouldn't need to, but if he hasn't changed it, that is, I don't believe he did. He
I don't
didn't
believe he did
haven't.
either.
No,
No,
No, I
no,
haven't changed it.
No.
no. What I'm
Because
saying.
you were here when I
Oh.
pulled this out. You actually were helping me to pull it
Yeah.
out.
Don't you bring me into this? I did not do it.
No, but that, I mean,
Yeah.
can I have that piece? Can I see it, please, Alan?
Yeah, sure.
No, just to make sure. They're
That's
the
an
same,
angle.
aren't they?
No,
No, they're not the same.
They're different.
Try. Put one down. Don't get them mixed up
well,
and try
look.
the other
Oh,
one.
probably that's that one because I probably move it with the bar.
Yeah, one. Yeah, you don't leave.
Oh,
Yeah,
dear.
exactly. You swapped them accidentally because you moved it with the
With
bar.
the bar.
Yeah.
I told
Okay.
you.
Oh, Alan, you sold me, man. You
Yeah.
should have told me off.
Should I put the welder and grinder back in the car now?
Please.
Yes, and my
So
hammer.
we need those 3M stickers that you stick on things.
No, there's a
A
lesson
different
learned there,
color for
guys.
each machine.
There is a lesson learned.
Yeah.
The hard way.
You got two machines that you think that they're pretty well identical.
Identical machines.
Yeah,
The
and that
needle
was
bars
that
fit.
15-minute video. That was pretty instructive.
And what about the swearing?
The swearing, of course. Needle bar from that one into here
Yeah.
with the right.
That matched the needle
Yeah.
bar, but it's the wrong for the
The
machine.
rest of it is different.
Yeah.
That's it.
It is crazy.
There you go.
You can take
I'll never
the whole
forget.
day long.
You could be going to the grinder,
Yes.
to the
Exactly.
welder.
Yeah, I would have had.
Well,
to
imagine
do
you
that.
buy a part, second
You buy
hand
a
or
part, it
whatever it
can
is,
turn
it come without that.
Sure.
And you are just
Oh, that's a lesson in buying used parts, second-hand
It's
parts.
true, yeah.
Right.
You put them in the wrong
Definitely
box.
is.
You can even get it where somebody's had a stock come in, and they've actually
Wasn't there?
transposed.
This one is
Oh.
in here.
They
this
put them into a
one is in
different,
here.
the wrong box.
I,
So when you order it,
yeah.
take it out of that box
This
because that's the
one's
right
here.
number. So when it says on the front of the box,
Yeah.
you get the wrong part.
Yes.
And you go, I can't remember how this goes. That's what the problem will be. It'll be your fault
This one must
Yeah.
be there.
Yeah.
because you don't know.
Somebody
Yeah,
introduced.
this one must be
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
This one, it goes in here? No, or goes in here,
No,
isn't
no.
That was
it goes
over
in
the
here.
side. That was
Over
the thing.
here. But then what goes in here, Alan?
Into there?
No, into here.
Nothing.
Because nothing here?
Nothing in there.
Ah, right. Okay. Because that's what I was looking. I mean, this one
This goes on there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
That goes in the hole
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Funny that how that works, isn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
That one goes on there. Okay.
Yeah.
Sarcasm's not very good.
Yeah.